Ever wondered why your morning coffee doesn't taste as good as it could? Or why your clothes feel stiff and scratchy after washing? The answer could be in your water. Enter the SoftPro Smart Home Plus water softener and whole house filter system with drop technology. This isn't just any water treatment system. It's designed to remove those pesky hardness minerals like calcium and magnesium that can interfere with the taste of your food and the feel of your clothes. But that's not all. It also zeroes in on chlorine, chloramine, and other harmful contaminants, leaving you with clean, soft, purified water throughout your home. And right now, we're throwing in a bonus package valued at $425. Absolutely free. That's right, free. This package takes your water softener to the next level, coupling it with smart home technology for the ultimate in home water care. First up in our bonus package is the Drop Smart Hub. This is the heart and the brain of the system, integrating all parts of your home water system. It uses low-frequency radio waves to communicate with any drop-equipped device in your home and monitors all water systems devices to ensure they're working correctly. But we're not stopping there. We're also including 2 leak detectors. Major insurance providers recommend installing water leak detection equipment in your home, and with good reason. Non-weather-related water damage is the second most common type of insurance claim for homeowners. Our SoftPro leak detectors give you peace of mind and could save you hundreds on insurance premiums. And let's not forget the SoftPro remote. This smart remote not only lets you control your water with a button, but it also notifies you of your system status and events. If a leak detector senses a leak, you'll know about it. Finally, we're throwing in a neoprene tank jacket. It's not just about function, it's about form too. The jacket protects the mineral tank, prevents it from sweating, and it just looks really good. So, why settle for less when you can have the best? Get your SoftPro Smart Home Plus water softener and whole house filter system with drop technology today. Your home deserves it.